Hello friends, welcome to CADCAM Nation. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how to create a 3D object out of imported 2D AutoCAD drawing into SolidWorks. This is the continuity in the previous video in which I told you that how to import a 2D drawing into SolidWorks. Now in this video, I'm going to continue and show you that how to create a 3D out of these given sketches. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, as you can see, we have already perfectly aligned the sketches. Now I'm gonna select the top plane and I'm gonna sketch on the top plane, normal to view. So I'm gonna copy the outer boundary of this sketch. As you can see here, I'm gonna select the select chain and convert entities. Now there's one more thing that I should do is change the color of the sketches, so this will make more easier for us to set or to work with these sketches without getting confused. So you can change the color of these sketches as I told you in my previous videos. You can give or assign the color which is more easily differentiate with the sketch we are going to create. Like this. This is good. Now click OK. Now we are good to go with the sketching. Now first need to delete these. We don't need these text at all, like this. Well, everything is good to go now. Now proceed with the top plane and hit the sketch. Now again select the line and select chain. Hit the convert entities. Now you can see, we can easily see what we are doing. Now I'm gonna extrude this up to the vertex. Now you can see we have the foundation of the body which we are going to create. Now I'm gonna create the sketch from the front face and joining the points like this on both the sides of the front view, and I'm gonna go to feature and extrude cut. Now cut up to this point. So now we have the cut out feature, or we have a more visuals of the object what we are going to make. Now I'm gonna repeat the same process on the right side face and joining the points and going to cut these points from the given sketch we are creating here. Now on the other side, you don't have to be more precise at this point, because eventually at the end we have to do some direct CADing, or we have to edit some features by using the direct edit features or command like this. Now select the last vertex, and you can see the basic foundation of the body like this. Now it is time to take a look at the inside of the body, that what we are going to do in the inside of this body. As you can see the hidden lines over there, that means it is hollow from the inside. Let me just check the thickness of the wall which is required on the side like this, and also check the thickness at the top because it appears more thick at the top. So I'm gonna use the shell command with the variable thickness. Now I'm gonna open the bottom surface and I'm gonna select the shell command, enter the desired value which you have measured before, select the bottom surface. Now for the variable thickness, enter the given value and select the top face. Don't worry about this and click OK. Now you can see the shell command with the variable thickness applied to it. Now I just wanted to change the name of these sketches to their respective views. This will make more easier to find out which sketch I am working on. It is also a good habit to organize your history so that you can easily find on which surface or which feature or which sketch or which plane you are working with. Now it is the time to create the extrude cut feature on the top. As you can see, the side plate, in the side view, the inside plate can be seen from the top view. As you can see here, the center line. Now I'm gonna create and sketch along the feature. I can see like here. I'm gonna trace it and extrude cut it. This is very important because if you studied the sketch very precisely, then you will be able to know that this is important, that why I am going to extrude cut from the top face. You will see at the end of this video the final product will be visible to you. You should go and download the file from the description which I have provided in the previous video. Also you can check or download this file from the description as well. Now I'm gonna extrude cut it. Before extrude cutting it, as you can see, we have a thickness of the wall. We should trim it precisely and make the bottom line collinear with it. This is very important because we do not want to change the height of the object. You should pay more attention towards your design as well. Now trim the sketch. As I told you, just read the drawing very precisely. It is important. Now we have done so far. Now going to extrude cut up to next and click OK. Now you can see the difference. Why I told you that to trim the sketch, because we need the wall thickness parallel to the standing ribs or where we're gonna drill at the end. This is important from the assembly point of view. This is just the part of the major assembly I'm showing you here. Now from the front view, I'm gonna trace this cutout like this. Now it is time to extrude cut up to next. As you can see, now click OK. This is what is required. There is one more feature left on the side view, which is the center plate. This is actually the slide on which the component falls and slides out of the body which we are creating right now. Okay, I'm gonna create this completely because we don't want to make any edges. Now extrude it from surface to surface. Select the surface from which we want to start and up to surface like this and click OK. This is what the final product we want. Now it is time to do some touches with the direct CADing features. As you can see, I'm gonna hide the sketches. Now it is time to use the direct CADing features. Let me just section view it and change its orientation, position to its required position, and as you can see, we have tapered faces over here. We don't need these tapered faces. We need parallel to the outer face. How I'm gonna do this? This seems to be quite tricky, but it is not. Let me just select the side view. I'm gonna show you the other side as well. You can see it is also there. I'm gonna select the delete face and select the delete and patch. When you select the face and hit OK, it will do the work by itself, as you can see. Now do the same process with the other face, as well as at the back of the body. Select it, and as you can see, we have created the complete body or object out of 2D sketch we have inside the AutoCAD, and we imported that AutoCAD file into Solidworks, and that sketch is now converted into 3D object without any difficulty. All you have to study your 2D sketch precisely so that you can create 3D out of it. So this is the final output we have. You can download this file into the description. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends who are also learning. Last but not the least, leave your valuable feedback down into the comment section and tell me how I can improve the quality of the content, so in the next video I can put your suggestions into work. Till then, stay tuned and happy. This is CADCAM Nation. Thanks for watching.